Hi, we are Whole Family, and this is our long-term lease guide. It's a quick guide on our lease options, which are perfect for extended stays. What is a lease? A lease is a rental contract or agreement that exceeds 30 days. What am I leasing? You'll be leasing a dorm bed or a private room, but not the entire home. How long can I lease? You can lease from 1 month at the minimum to 3 months at the maximum. And yes, leases can be renewed. When is a lease required? A lease is required if you desire to stay at the same address for more than 14 days in a row. When is a lease useful? A lease is useful if you need safe, clean, mid to long-term housing, or if you're tired of moving to different locations every 14 days. What is the application process? You'll first apply and submit all necessary documents. We'll talk about how to apply later. Step 2, your application will be approved or denied within 3 to 14 days. The third step of the process is, if you're approved, you'll decide your term length from 1 to 3 months and your ideal move-in date. And then the final and fourth step is you'll pay your deposit and first month's rent before the appropriate date or the start date. What determines approval? You must show financial fit, which means that your monthly income is 2 to 3 times the amount of your monthly rent, and community fit, which means no points or no complaints in line with our safety policy. What is the monthly rent? Private rooms. Our private rooms range from $1,100 to $1,450 a month, depending on the location. To move in, you'll need your first month's rent and the deposit will equal 1 month's rent. Internet and all utilities are included. For dorm beds, which are in our shared rooms, rent is $900 per month. Move in will equal the first month's rent plus the deposit, and the deposit for dorm beds are half a month's rent. Internet and all utilities are included. Okay, so how do I apply? To apply, you'll first text this number, 218-414-1010, with this message. I would like to apply for a lease. Include your first and last name plus your email address, then include the room or bed name. You can see an example here below. And that's the first easiest way to start. Step 2, someone will reply shortly with a link. Use that link to start your application. Or use the link below in the description to apply. Text 916-233-9709 for more specific pricing and information. The process of application can take as few as 3 days and as many as 14 or more days to complete. So we advise beginning the process as soon as possible if you're seriously interested. Thanks again for booking with us. Thanks for being a great guest, and we hope to hear from you soon.